Are you looking for the best beach chairs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best beach chairs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Rio Gear 4-Position Lace-Up Backpack Folding Beach Chair. This beach backpack chair offers hands-free portability and is lightweight to carry. It has an adjustable, backpack shoulder strap with large storage pouch where you can put your stuff for convenience. The flexible suspension design supports and conforms to your body. You won't have to worry about getting the right position while seated in this chair. The Rio Beach Chair has 4-position, easy adjust recline options that allows you to choose the level of recline you want to have. You are assured that this best beach chair list is made to last a long time because of the rust-proof aluminum frame. It also features a large adjustable pillow and a cup holder, and the chair only weighs 8 pounds. At number 4. KingCamp Low Sling Beach Camping Concert Folding Chair. The KingCamp folding chair has an armrest wrapped by foam that is soft and comfortable, and the cup holder feature will keep your drink close. The low seat and big leg cap makes it a more stable chair and makes it the perfect companion to the beach. Its breathable and comfortable cooling reinforced mesh back and seat makes you feel cool in the sand. It's made of heavy-duty steel frame and can support the weight of up to 300 pounds. It opens and closes in a matter of seconds. You can easily carry and store this one in carrying bags. It will also fit most car trunks. At number 3. Tommy Bahama 2 Backpack Beach Chairs. This backpack chair is made with lightweight and durable materials that can carry as heavy as 300 pounds. This is also built with a rust-proof light frame with aluminum and durable 600 denier polyester fabric. An added feature of insulated cooler pouch, a bottle holder, a side pocket and a folding towel rack, so everything you need can be easily reached. This best beach chair list is perfect on the beach or any sports event such as soccer, baseball, fishing, and camping. This has been built with an adjustable pillow that allows you to nap and have head support while lying down or sitting up. It reclines to 5 positions including flat lay for optimum rest and relaxation. At number 2. Wejoy Aluminum Lightweight Portable Adjustable Beach Chair. This beach chair comes with an adjustable backrest that lets you recline with 4 different angles. You can sit down, recline and lay down with this product. This is also lightweight with a rust-proof aluminum frame that maximizes load capacity and minimized weight and bulkiness. It is made with ripstop 600 denier Oxford fabric panel that allows for easy breathing while in hot days. You will also have a head pillow and armrests for added comfort. It comes with a storage pocket on the side of the beach chair so you can keep all your valuables with you. At number 1. Hello Journey Low Sling Beach Chair. This beach chair is multifunctional and can be used while fishing, barbecue, camping, or even in your own backyard. This allows you to stretch your 2 legs to get better rest and making sure they will not go numb. It has a removable soft headrest that lets you be more comfortable and suitable for sleeping as well. The maximum weight capacity of this best beach chair is 300 pounds and it has an added fabric outside to avoid direct contact of arms on the chair. The package includes carrying bag, shoulder strap for easy transporting. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.